Welcome to our latest video. This time we're going to be looking at St Donat's Church and Castle in the Vale of Glamorgan. The original name was Llanwerydd, but the Normans rejected the Celtic past and rededicated it to St Donat, the patron saint of sailors. In the churchyard stands a 15th century Calvary cross, the only one of its kind left in the district, and one of the few remaining in Britain. Local tradition claims Caradog had a stronghold here and that his daughter Urgwain brought Christianity back from Rome. The Stradling family held the castle from 1290 to 1738, leaving monuments, tombs and legends throughout the church. The Lady Chapel is the Stradling's final resting place. Built in the 16th century, it was later turned into a family mausoleum. Inside is the ornate tomb of the last two Stradlings, who died in 1726 and 1738. Unfortunately, due to the castle now being a private college, we were unable to visit, except around the grounds. Since 1962, the castle has been home to Atlantic College, bringing students from over 70 countries. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe as I say. If not, don't. If so, cheers. Thank you.